When you create your annotated bibliography, it will be very important to know what type of annotation your teacher is looking for. Some teachers want an evaluation of the source. They want you to raven the source and determine whether or not it's credible. Some teachers will want a summary of the source. They want you to go over its main points. Now, for this assignment, you're going to do a combination of both. But it will be really important in your education to know what exactly your teacher or professor would like in your annotations because there is no set format in the latest version of MLA. So when you're completing your annotated bibliography, you will have your citation, and then underneath that, you will have a short paragraph describing the source and providing either a summary or an annotation. So here's an example of a completed one. And as you can see, we have the citation followed by the annotation. The annotation has what's called a hanging indent, which means it's indented in and then straight down. There's also a 1-inch spacing. It's titled Annotated Bibliography. Then we have a 1/2-inch spacing up here with your name. And the whole thing is double spaced. So let's take a look at what your teacher would like in your annotation. We have created a graphic organizer to help you make sure that you have all of the required elements in your annotation. So to fill this out, you're going to do this for one source, and that will be a practice to help you before you write all of the annotations for all of your sources. So you will write down the title of the source, and then you'll copy and paste the citation from the database. And then you're going to brainstorm some ideas for your paragraph or your annotation. Think about what are the main points? How did the authors get their information? And how does this source relate to your inquiry? Is it relevant? Yes or no? Now, you don't need to have full sentences. These are definitely notes. And then you also need to think about what is the proof that your source is credible. And we would like you to do a quick mini Raven analysis of the source for its reputation, ability to observe, vested interest, expertise, and neutrality. And then you use your notes from all 4 of these boxes to write one paragraph summarizing the source, analyzing the source, and describing how the source relates to your inquiry. Is it a valuable source, and what does it lead you to conclude, and why? And then the final step is to take the paragraph that you just wrote using your notes from the organizer and copy and paste that into your annotated bibliography. There is also a template right down here that already has all of the formatting done for you if you would like to use that.